Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys today? I hope you're doing great and having an amazing day. So in today's video, we're going to learn English grammar in a fun way. We will talk about the context and simple past tense, and of course, we will connect it with an Islamic topic. Have you ever had a memorable Ramadan experience? Uh, Maybe you fast to for a whole month, went to Tarawih every night, or spend a lot of time with your family. Well, today I'm going to share my Ramadan experience while learning English together. So, grab your notebook, stay with me until the end, and let's get started. Before we begin, I have a few questions for you. Think about your last Ramadan. Did you wake up early for suhur atau sahur? Did you go to the mosque for Tarawih prayer? Tarawih. Did you read the Quran, or maybe you helped your parents prepare iftar? Mm, If your answer is yes, then congratulations, you already have a short story that you can tell in English. And when we tell stories about things that happened in the past, we usually use a recontext. What is a recontext? Mm. So, what exactly is a recontext? A recontext is simply a text that tells us about past experience or event. In other words, it is a story about something that already happened. For example, my family and celebrated together last year. Or I spent Ramadan with my grandparents, and then these are examples of recounting past experience. A recontext usually has three parts. First, orientation. This is where we introduce the story. And then second is event. This is where we what happened, and third, reorientation. This is where we give our feelings or conclusion about the experience. Easy? Right. Simple past. Now let's talk about the grammar part, because we context talk about the past. We need to use the simple past. For example, uh, I visit my grandparents. We performed Tarawih prayer. My family prepared iftar together. Can you see the verbs? Visit, performed, prepared. These verbs are in the past form because the activities already happened. So whenever you tell a story about yesterday, last week, um, last month, or last year, you will probably use the simple past tense. My Ramadan experience. Now let me tell you about one of my memorable Ramadan experience. Last Ramadan was very special for me every day, yes. I woke up early for sahur with my family, and then honestly, waking up at 4 in the morning was not always easy. But it felt nice because we could eat together before fasting. After sahur, we performed Fajr prayer and then prepare for our daily activity. During the day, I attend my class and work on my assignment. Sometimes I felt sleepy, especially in the afternoon, but I tried my best to stay productive. In the evening, my family prepared food for iftar. My favorite part was waiting for the adhan because everyone was excited to break the fast together. After iftar, we usually went to the mosque for Tarawih prayer. I also spend more time reading the Quran and learning about Islam during Ramadan. One of my favorite moments was spending time with my family. We talked, laughed, and shared many stories together. At the end of Ramadan, I felt happy and grateful because I learned a lot about patience, discipline, and gratitude. It was truly a wonderful experience. But find the verbs. Now let's look at some verbs for the story. And if you notice these words, wake up, attended, prepared, planned, filed, learned, these are a simple past tense verb. For example, I attend my class. The first is attend. My family prepare food. The verb is prepared. And then I felt happy. The verb is felt. The verb have as a show that the events happen. Quick quiz presenter. Okay, guys. Now it's your turn. Let's do a quick quiz and see how well you understand the simple past. Question number one. Yes, yesterday I blah 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 the Quran after Maghrib. A. Read. B. Read. C. Reading. And the correct answer is A. Read. Why? Because the sentence talked about yesterday, which means it happened in the past. The verb read is an irregular verb. It's right the same way in the present and past form, but the pronunciation is different. So the complete sentence is example, yesterday I read the Quran after Maghrib. Yes. Then question two, my family, blah blah blah, it start together. A, eat, B, eat, C, eating. Think carefully. The correct answer is B, at. Why? Because at is the past form of it.